Despite the beginning of the problem, logic dictates that it is wise to look into the climate change trends and how the world reacts to resolve this phenomenon. In response, the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, was drafted in 1992, see Table 1. The ultimate objective of the UNFCCC is geared towards stabilizing greenhouse gases, GHG, concentration at a level that would hold back anthropogenic activities interfering with climate system, Article 2, UNFCCC, UN 1992. The increase in the worldwide GHG, CO2, emissions from 2011-2030 is projected at 5% and between 74 to 202% increase in 2100. Center for Sustainable Systems, University of Michigan, Climate Change, Policy and Mitigation Fact Sheet PubNow. CSS 05-20_E 2019.pdf. According to Climate Central, the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, had released a reminder that the 400 ppm CO2 atmospheric concentration, which is the threshold level, had already been reached in 2015. Carbon dioxide passed critical threshold in 2015 by Brian Kahn, published October 24, 2016. www.climatecentral.org/news/carbon-dioxide-400-ppm-2015-208009, and such will definitely lead to climate change. To achieve this UNFCCC objective, the target GHG CO2 emission by the year 2100 must be at least 450 ppm. This would mean that the CO2 emissions in 2050 must be kept at 40 to 70% compared to the 2010 level, and close to zero level in 2100. These figures are expected to keep the atmospheric temperature below 2 degrees Celsius. It means the objective could be achieved when the emission is held constant for the first 50 years and reduced by 2/3 in the next 50 years. Center for Sustainable Systems, University of Michigan, Climate Change, Policy and Mitigation Fact Sheet PubNow. CSS 05-20_E 2019.pdf. In October 10, 2018, by virtue of an invitation from Paris Agreement, Chapter 2 Number 21 Adoption of the Paris Agreement, the Intergovernmental Panel for Climate Change, IPCC, published the Special Report on 1.5 degrees Celsius Global Warming, see Table 1. It determined the impacts of the 1.5 degrees Celsius and 2 degrees Celsius temperature rise, and suggested mitigation strategies necessary to maintain the global warming below 1.5 degrees Celsius. Cool Earth, October 8, 2018, IPCC Global Warming Special Report 2018. What does it actually mean?